Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. So before we start this video, I want to say a big thank you to all those people that always watch my video, like when you're watching my video, all those people that always like, and also all those people that always subscribe, and also very importantly, all the people that always share my video to other jambites. I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. Okay, so let's get straight to it today. Okay, so like from my previous video, I always say if you have a question, like if you have something that is bothering you, something about Jamb, like anything about Jamb that has been bothering you that you want to ask somebody, that you should always drop it in my comments. So in today's video, I'll be answering all the questions I got from my previous videos. I'll be answering all the questions today. Okay, so number one person asked, somebody said, "Sir, I always forget what I've studied." And another person said, "Sir, I don't know how to study." And another person said, "Sir, I want you to be my mentor." And another person said, "Sir, I want to have access to the physics formula book that you talked about." You know, in my previous video, I told you guys about a particular physics and this particular physics formula book that I compiled for my students. So the physics formula book contains all the formulas, all the necessary formulas that you need to pass your physics in JAMB. So if you want to have access to that formula book, click the link, the pinned comment in the pinned comment. Click the link there. Join my WhatsApp channel where I'll be dropping the formula book. The formula book contains all the formulas you need to pass your physics JAMB. Okay, so let me start answering those questions now. This video is gonna be a short video, so ensure to watch till the end. Okay, so I will answer the first person. The first person said, "I find it difficult to. I always forget what I've studied." Okay, so before we talk about, I made a video on how to study. I made part one and part two. If you have not seen that video, try and watch it. Okay, so if you always forget what you have studied, that means you are studying under pressure. Like you are not calm, or maybe your brain is already stressed before you started studying. That's why I said in my previous video, take your brain, for instance, take your brain like a cup. You know, when the cup don't full and you are adding extra things to that cup, the cup will not be able to retain that extra thing you are adding to it. The thing will just dey fall for floor, like the thing go just dey pour. But when the cup dey empty and you are adding something to it, the cup will be able to retain it. That's how your brain functions. When like throughout the day you don't already stress your brain, you don't do this one, you don't do that one, then at night you didn't even rest, and you now want to study on top that already stressed brain, and you expect the brain to retain what you are studying. There is no way the brain will be able to retain it. That's why you always forget what you have studied. For you to be able to retain what you have studied, this is what you need to do. First of all, if physics is your like the subject that you find difficult to understand, don't study it at night. Study it in the morning. If chemistry, physics, or biology, or literature, or government, or mathematics is the subject you find difficult to understand, just don't study them at night. Study those ones that you find easy to understand at night. Then in the morning, when you do already like sleep for 6 hours, you will now wake up in the morning, say your prayer, do one or two things, then bring out that physics or that maths or that chemistry. Start studying it. By then, the brain is already don't already rest. The brain is already like empty. Then start dey pour anything you want make e dey the brain. The brain will be able to retain it. And also when you are studying, solve past questions. Past questions will help you understand how what JAMB wants you to know in a particular topic. Like the past question will guide you on things to focus on. Hope you understand. So just for instance, if you try this thing I said now and it still doesn't work for you, drop it again in the comment section. I will tell you what to do next. So for the people that say that they want me to be their mentor, obviously if you want me to be your mentor, first of all you must be my subscriber. That means for me to be your mentor, you have to be subscribed to this channel. That's why you need to subscribe. Like click on that red subscribe button. You're not paying to subscribe. So after you have subscribed, click on that link in the comment, that link in the comment, click on it, and then join my WhatsApp channel. When you now get to my WhatsApp channel, my number is there. You're able to chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay, so if you are under my mentorship, I'll be telling you what to do, what you need not to do, the most important topics. Even though I said I will still drop, like in chemistry, physics, and biology, I will drop the most repeated topics in JAMB. So just wait for that video. For you not to miss out in that video, make sure you subscribe. So I'll be telling those people I'm mentoring which topics to study, and if possible, I'll try and see if I can give you guys quizzes. But I don't know if that is possible yet. But till then, okay. So for the people that ask me that they are scared of failing their Jamb again, maybe those people that have written at Jamb maybe 2 times or maybe once, and they don't want to fail again. See, one thing about ourselves is once you are scared about something, for you to get over that thing will be difficult. So the thing that what you need to do now is calm yourself down. Stop studying under pressure. Like, don't pressure yourself. Don't be scared of Jamb. Jamb na beans. Yeah, Jamb na beans. Me myself, I didn't write Jamb once. So don't be scared of Jamb. Once you are not scared of Jamb will start to fear you. Just calm down. Relax whenever you want to study. No, they study with fear. Once you are calm and you are studying, you'll be able to remember what you have studied. Hope you understand. Just calm down. No, they stress yourself. Jamb na small thing. Just study as much as you can. Even if you know fit study, just dey solve past question. That can even help you. Hope you understand. Anyway, guys, that will be the end of the video for today. Don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Till your boy.